pipe cleaner spider, and looking for black, but I ended up, you know, if you had just one multi-pack of colors, you can make a black and red spider. I made this blue and purple because I didn't want to use up all the Halloween-y colors. So you need 2 or 3 or 4 pipe cleaners. If you have 4, you can make a bigger body. You wrap it around to make a bigger body. So you take 2. I'm going to have the legs be the black part. Just have to fold them in half and cut them. Again, slightly strong safety scissors should work just fine. And now I have 4 little pieces that will become my 8 legs. And I'm going to wrap the other pipe cleaner around it. I found that actually 3 was enough. I want him to have a larger body. I will just wrap another one around. In the little bags we're giving here, we gave 3, and that really is sufficient. So there I have a nice bodacious little spider. And I can pull the little legs out into more of a circle, and I can bend them so he has little looks more like legs that will actually move, could walk. And the only other thing I need is some school glue or some googly eyes. And again, most of these are things you might have around your house now for your home, your school supplies. That's what I liked about these things. And if you don't have googly eyes, you can use paper and color on the paper, and you can make very cool eyes that way too. You can actually be more creative that way. So there's my little spider. I just have to make sure that I leave it alone so that the glue can dry. So then the other craft, as I say, it's all really mostly school supplies. You might have some orange construction paper. I cut 8 or 10 strips, and I found that the best way I could make a face on my pumpkin, my jack-o'-lantern, I just put 4 of these strips together next to each other. I could tape them down if although the construction paper might rip. Purple, so I'm going to use a purple pen. And we will be bending all of these around, so I'll have to make a good guess about what's a good spot to put those eyes. It was about at least 1/3 of the way down. And I put that on the farthest sides. You could have them closer together. I put my nose on the middle too. Except for his mouth. If you're a big kid, you can help. You can hold the paper for your little brothers and sisters. So now in our little bags that we're giving here, we have a couple more. I'm putting 1 strip behind, attached to each part that I colored on. So I have 1. 2. We'll make a pretty good pumpkin. I think I might want a couple more cross pieces to be the back side. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I had 8 here.